Sam couldn't wait to start another fun-filled adventure. Mia had prepared a delicious breakfast with fresh fruit, toast, and milk for everyone.
It's a perfect morning.
Suddenly, a giant gummy bear landed right on Sam's head. Wait, is that candy?
Look, Sam! It's candy! Wow, Mia!
Colorful sweets were falling from the sky like magical rain.
Look at all the candy! Catch it, catch it!
Soon the whole town rushed outside. Everyone laughed and happily caught delicious candy.
It's time! Yes! Let's play!
Can you find the hidden rainbow lollipop? Comment
They're showing
below.
us where to look. 5, 4, 3. Look at this tower we're building. It's gonna be the biggest ever. Let's go slide down the chocolate mountain.
Just then, a colorful talking parrot flew down.
Hi, I'm Pip. I'm your new friend.
You have to see it.
Pip gobbled jelly beans so fast. His tongue turned bright blue.
That is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
But wait, the candy wasn't stopping. It was falling faster and faster.
It's like a dream.
Soon the streets were covered with candy like colorful, sugary snow.
Woohoo! Look out! Here we go! Faster! This is amazing! It's time! Yes! Let's play!
Can you spot the hidden strawberry among all the candy?
Look at them!
Comment the answer.
They're so sparkly!
Oh no! A delivery truck got stuck in sticky caramel.
Wow, that's sticky!
What a funny mess! Poor Pip ate too much candy. His tummy was so full, he couldn't fly high.
The flowers are
Sam noticed
disappearing.
flowers disappearing under the candy.
The bees can't find them. It's time! Yes! Let's play!
Which food is good for eyes? A. Apple, B. Carrot, C. Lollipop, D. Strawberry. Comment the answer.
Wow, look at that!
Something colorful sparkled above the clouds.
It's the rainbow machine. Wow.
A magical rainbow staircase appeared.
Look at it! It's beautiful! Let's go! Come on, Pip! Wow, look at that! It's amazing! Come on, Pip!
Wow! Floating cloud islands, rainbow rivers. Right in front of them stood the amazing Rainbow Candy Factory.
Let's go inside! Craw, to the factory! Let's go!
Tiny candy sprites hurried everywhere, making colorful candy with cheerful smiles.
Oh no, it's heading for the vat! It's okay, Sprinkle. We're here to help.
One little candy sprite looked very sad.
It's so
Her
big.
name was Sprinkle.
It's okay, Sprinkle. We're here with you. Let's make some fun weather.
Sprinkle whispered. I accidentally turned on candy mode. I'm so sorry.
It's candy mode. 5.
Can you find the tiny golden candy hiding inside the
4,
factory?
3, 2.
Everyone burst into
All
laughter.
right, everyone. Let's do this. Yeah!
Don't worry. We'll fix this
Go,
together.
team.
Which button should Sam press? Red, green, or blue?
Get ready to choose. Together.
Make
Pull.
your choice. The weather machine shook loudly. Quick, pull the giant rainbow lever.
Quiz time. Yes. Let's play.
Which fruit keeps the doctor away? A. Apple, B. Lollipop, C. Carrot, D. Cake. Comment below so we can pull the lever.
Woohoo,
Teamwork is
we
powerful.
Did it. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, look at it go! This is Oh no, the power is failing. Look, the critical component. It's missing. What are we gonna do now?
Sam and Mia started to find the missing lever and saw some funny moments.
He's in the frosting.
A tiny candy mouse was happily rolling the rainbow gear like a toy.
Hooray! Wow, a rainbow gear. It's beautiful.
Tiny Mouse returned the gear to Sam happily.
I've got it. Let's do it. Ready?
rainbow gear clicked into place. The weather machine came back to life. Together they pressed the button. The whole machine sparkled with rainbow light. Fresh rain finally returned. Flowers bloomed, and the happy bees buzzed again.
And the flowers are blooming.
The whole town cheered. Thank you, Sam, Mia, Pip, and Sprinkle. A tiny candy shower filled the sky one last time.
Yay, candy rain! This is the best picnic ever. I love my apple.
Sharing is fun.
Quiz time! Yes! Let's play!
Which foods belong in Sam's healthy lunchbox? A. Apple. B. Carrot. C. Lollipop. D. Banana. Comment below. Pip smiled. Apple first. Candy later. Sprinkle thanked Sam and Mia. Kindness and teamwork made everything better.
Wow!
A beautiful rainbow stretched across the sky as everyone smiled together.
Rainbow! Everyone! Oh, amazing! I've never seen that cloud do that before. Look out! Oops! That feels
Healthy foods help us grow strong, and candy is sweetest as a special treat. Subscribe for more.